Hi, I'm Amanda Perna at the Amanda Perna, and today I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous but super simple glitter holiday ornament using Beacon Glitter It glue. So once it sits and dries for a bit, then what I like to do is add one finishing little touch. I like to take a little tassel or something fun and sparkly just to give it a little something extra when it hangs on the tree. So you put your hook through here and you are all ready to slay all day. I'm Amanda Perna. Thanks for watching.